One advice I would tell them is to not listen to naysayers. Meaning, when I wanted to join the field, I had many people who discouraged me rather than encouraged me.
Okay, yeah.
So why? Because obviously you'll have to be with dead bodies all the time. I'm not with dead bodies all the time, right? I am that too in recent last 6 months. I don't think I've seen a dead body, right? So they discourage you. So don't let people discourage you. And second thing is that take this subject only if you absolutely love the subject. Because if you absolutely love the subject, there is a lot of money to be made in forensic medicine in a straight manner, in a straightforward, legal manner. There is a lot of money to be made. But if you don't like the subject, or rather, if you are not, you need to be really, really passionate about forensic medicine, not just like the subject. Like, like me, you should be crazy about forensic medicine if you really want to like make a difference. If you are really not crazy about forensic medicine, then take some other subject which you are crazy about or you like better.
Okay.
Right? Or which makes better money than like, because in forensic, if you want to make money and you want to be honest, you really, really need to love the subject.
Okay.
If you want to be dishonest and make money, you can make that in any field. Right? And if you want to like just mint money, I don't want to play much with the actual science of it. I just want to make money with my degree. So there are other fields for that.
Yeah.
In medicine itself, there are other fields for that. I won't specify which fields, but there are other fields for that. So they can do that.
Yeah.
But if you are going to come to forensic, really love the subject, really, really work for the subject and try to improve the subject as a whole. Try to improve the forensics of the country because there is an option and an opportunity to do that. Not a lot of fields are still much underdeveloped in India. Many fields are like overdeveloped in India. But forensic is still one such field which is still growing because law changes day by day.
Yeah.
Law changes daily, right? So forensic has to change with it. So there is a lot of scope, there is a lot of place, but come with a passion.